don't know if we're gonna get back. I just want to point out that visibility is at an all-time low right now. Oh my God.
All right, y'all boys ready?
Oh my God. So let me tell you what's going on right now. So North Carolina's got a snowstorm, right? We expected a lot more. There's a dry spot, so nobody's getting snow. So we're gonna gang up here and go find it.
The battery would have been so fucking cold, it would have just dropped out of the bottom of the car. Catch on fire.
Dude, we're heading in the thick of it right now, man. Holy shit, we're driving right into the storm. We found it. We got a guy slipping, sliding over there. Let's go, baby. Some North Carolina shit right here. Oh, he's slipping, sliding too, baby. Look at that. Oh, yes, sir.
Y'all hear it echoing?
Well, that's another Mustang for sure.
No, that's him.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Chopping over here, man. We found the snow. I'm so happy right now. Got all the boys out. F-155O, ATSV, F-150. Got the GTI out here too. Look at this, man. I don't know if we're gonna get back.
I don't know if I think out of this parking lot.
We don't know if we're gonna get back. Now we've come all this way, and he's got slicks on his ATSV, so I don't know if we're gonna get back.
I'm like sliding that in.
Shit is on.
That thing's not going anywhere.
Oh no! Oh no! The ATSV, he has slicks on that car. It is not, I mean, I'm checking up on him, but he keeps sliding everywhere. So we're heading back to Raleigh right now, so see what else we can get into. We've been chasing all day long, and finally, here's the snow in Raleigh. Unbelievable, it took like 6 hours to get snow in Raleigh. The boys over there doing some donuts. Look at them go, man. I'm trying to get some flicks over here, man. It's coming down really good now, man. It's coming down really good. Man, it is coming down. It's supposed to be like another 6 hours of this, so hopefully it will accumulate quite nicely, but a little bummed out it didn't start earlier, but hey man, we've got it. We're gonna head back in a little bit. It's probably gonna pick up some speed here, I'm sure of it. So all right, me and the boys are heading back to the house, man. It's getting pretty crazy out here, man. I don't know if you could tell, but it is coming down. The highway is getting covered. It's hitting us super late, but it's definitely hitting us hard right now. So I just want to point out that visibility is at an all-time low right now as I'm heading home. So I'm gonna try to take it easy. I mean, look at the visibility. I can't see anything. It is absolutely insane. Oh my God. I had to stop out here, man, and take a quick video because visibility is almost at a zero. I just wanted to show you it is coming down right now. Oh my God. Somebody has stopped already and see if I was okay. I'm just taking some videos. The Mustang is doing really, really well right now. That dude is absolutely flying. I've got to get to the house somehow. It is piling up. Oh my God, I'm getting into the thick shit now. Woo, baby. Come on. Oh, come on, catch, baby. You're good. My God. This shit is getting deeper and deeper, man. I am almost home. I'm about 9 minutes away from home. Holy shit, man. I probably shouldn't be stopping like this, but I just have to show you the rate it's coming at right now. Look at this shit. Look at it. Unbelievable. It is coming down so heavy. I am almost home. I mean, it's getting, look at that. Probably 3-4 inches right there. Unbelievable. I had to show y'all the back, man. Look how covered this shit is. Oh my God. That's like a couple inches in the back. I don't know if I should have had my ghost cam on, but it sounds pretty cool in the snow. I'm gonna see if I can get home, man. I mean, wow, this is so deep. This is probably stupid for me to stop again, but I just have to record this, man. I have to. I just got home. Oh my God, look at this. That's like 5 inches at least. Holy shit. Finally made it. We'll see what tomorrow looks like. This is gonna be ridiculous. I mean, this snow is so fucking deep and it's powdery. It's like pixie dust. It's the next day and it's pretty covered out here, man. I woke up super late. I woke up like at 12. A lot of it is melting pretty good. I had to step out and show you. All the roads are covered. I mean, the Mustang's putting in work, I'll tell you that, but look at this. Man. So he's helping me get the ice. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, actually. He's doing so well, man. Can you tell me about your crash out moment? I was crashing out yesterday, but can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened? It looks like you shit your pants, by the way. Low-key. Look like you have like a dookie in your pants.
These are the same sweatpants I was wearing yesterday when I tried to tell you to push me. I was on the ground.
So can you tell everybody what happened?
I shit my pants. My crash out moment from yesterday was I recorded an entire fucking vlog. And then I realized that I never turned my mic receiver on for my DJI wireless mic. So my entire vlog is cooked.
We got the boys out, we got the Raptor, F-150s up there, another F-150 back there, man, GTI. There's hopefully some places where we can slide, man.
Yeah. Mike Wengerd. Yeah. Money.
Snowstorm that was freaking awesome. We haven't had it in a long time. If you stay to the end of this video, I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, man. We got some major plans for this thing and major plans for the channel coming up soon.
Mike Wengerd. Yeah.